Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Got an oil change coming up for this Troy-Bilt pressure washer. Let's check it out. Now it's been a little while since I did an oil change on this pressure washer. This is a 675 series 2550 max PSI pressure washer, 2.3 gallons per minute. So I want to show you a couple tricks here in changing this oil the easy way and not having any problems. Now here's my setup. I've gone ahead and used two cinder blocks 12 inches to get the pressure washer up off the ground and gone ahead and put a oil pan in between. The oil pan is basically sitting on the lip of each cinder block. Other than the oil pan, all it's needed for this oil change is this 3/8 socket. This will insert into the plug and you're good to go. Alright guys, thanks for checking out this video on the oil change for the 675 series Troy-Bilt pressure washer. Pretty easy to do. Hopefully you picked up a couple tips that I do to make this easier. Getting that pressure washer up off the ground, sliding that oil pan in between the cinder blocks is key here for doing a good job. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, ask a question, come back and visit, and have a great day.